This question, they're giving us the integral from 1 to 8 of a function minus 1 to 6 of a function. And they're saying, hey, how's that a to b of a function? Well, basically, these are like little tricks. You basically got to get these ones to be in the middle. So if I turn this around and I instead make it the integral, or here, let's, um, from 8 to 1 of f of x dx, it'll be negative. Because whenever you turn it around, it changes the sign in front. So I basically took this and I said, this is the same thing, right? I just switched the 1 and the 8. So whenever you reverse it, you reverse the sign in the front. So, okay, now, okay, so who cares? Well, oh, wait a minute. Is that what I want to do? I'm getting a little confused myself. Let's do this. Um, we gotta get these things added together. Oh yeah, okay, so let's do minus. Okay, let's just bring that one down as it is of f of x dx, okay? And now I could say that's equal to negative, and then I can just have them both, 8 to 1 f of x dx plus 1 to 6 f of x dx. Do you see that trick? Right? That minus sign could distribute, and it would go right back to these two negatives, right? Okay, so what? Well, now what is this and this? Well, see how they connect at the 1? So that's just the integral from 8 to 6 of f of x dx, right? Because if you go, just think about the x-axis. If you have some kind of function, here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're going from 8 to 1. I know it's backwards, but don't worry about that. We'll get that in a minute. 8 to 1. Right, you go from 8 to 1, then you go from 1 to 6. Right, 1 to 6. What'd you really do? You really went from 8 to 6. 8 to 6, right? That makes sense. I went 8 to 1, 1 to 6. So they went 8 to 6. 8 to 1, 1 to 6. They really went 8 to 6, okay? And then, this over here, last, oop, it doesn't work. Last step, see how we have that negative in the front? Hit that and reverse them. So it's 6 to 8. It's positive. You just reverse. So anytime you want, you can change the sign in the front, and that reverses the order of the thing. So there we go. It's the integral from 6 to 8, and that's a is 6. Right? It goes from 6 to 8. Okay, so one more time. How do we do that? We see these ones, and we got to get them meeting here and here. That way you can make it into one integral. So I thought, oh, if I put a minus on this guy, I'll put this one up here, and that one's already down there. But then they both were minus. You had to factor out the minus. You have a plus in between. You got to get a plus in between to make this connection. So from 8 to 1 and then 1 to 6 is 8 to 6. Minus is still in the front. Then hit that, reverse these. So there we go.